Watch to the end for a special giveaway announcement. Franklin Park Mall is making my stocking stuffer shopping a breeze. First stop, PacSun. I loved this store in my youth and know my mentee will like these hair clips. F.Y.E is great for those stocking stuffer treats, and oh my goodness, this is my favorite candy, and it's huge! My nephew will love this. But look at this cookbook, and oh wow, I'm nerding out right now. Okay, gotta get back on track. J. Crew Factory had some great deals going on. This is perfect for my friend. Oh, and had to treat myself. I got so many great gifts, but shh, this is our little secret. Spencer's is my go-to for IP merch like these Ninja Turtle slippers. Of course I have to check out some bling at Pandora. Oh my mother of dragons, this Game of Thrones line is too cool. Adding to my wish list. Bauer has some unique travel items, but I know my mom needs this. I went in here for Kyle, but actually found this for my mom. She's done. Forever 21 is great for accessories. How'd they know this is my seasonal title? I know my mentee has been wanting this. Okay, I need a break for BlackRock. These Brussels sprouts are amazing. Oh, so good. Kyle had tacos. Last stop for the Giving Tree gift. This is perfect. And a clip from me. Read the caption below for how you can enter to win gift cards to all the locations featured.